Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rename column in Google Sheets. To be honest, you can't change the letter displayed here to another one. So for example, you can't change C to another letter, but you can rename this column and address of this column in another way. So if you want to do it, you need to click on this column, you need to go to data, and here you have something like named ranges. We need to click on this one option, and after that we need to type here the new name. So for example, I type here simple name, and after that I check if this range is correct. So how you see, column C is selected here, so the range is correct. And after that I click on this one button, done. It will let me to address this column in another way. For example, if I would like to use a function, I will type here equal sign and sum. I open the bracket, and now I don't need to use C address. I can type here simple. So how you see, we have here displayed here this named range. So I click on it, and then I can close the bracket and I can press enter. After that you will get the result of summed sales values from column C. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.